Welcome back to another episode of Ghouls Garage. Today we are working on the 440, the Chrysler 440. As you can see, here's its state now. Pistons, crank, cam. It's now a bare block. Line set, oil pump. There. But as you can see, I'm just getting ready to start taking off that mount there. Right there, and then I'm going to start cleaning it with a drill and a wire wheel, and then I'm going to DA the surfaces, get it all ready to get it honed, and then get it ready for bearings and ready for get it put back together and finish getting rebuilt. As you can see over here are the parts. I still have to take that head off because we weren't sure what we were doing yet. But it looks okay. We got the green light to keep going on that head, get that cleaned up, and take that and get that one cleaned up. As you see, probably last time you saw it, it wasn't this nice and shiny. Bare metal. Or bare cast. Still some blue on there, but I can't get all that off. So what I did is I took a wire wheel and a drill. Right there. And I went around the whole engine with it. And then after I was done, I took the DA'd the surfaces where gaskets would go, like the timing gasket, timing cover gasket, head gasket, intake gaskets, and then the oil pan gasket. You want to make sure those are nice and clean. And as you can see, yeah, those look much nicer. That stuff in there is actually WD-40. I put it in there so it didn't rust. So all these are honed, just a hone tool on a drill, no machine shop at all for this engine. There you go. So I wanted to do a quick update on the Chrysler 440. So there it is. I'm going to be doing a video of cleaning these parts here, putting those heads together, taking that head apart, and cleaning some parts up. So thanks for watching this episode of Ghouls Garage.